Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute a tab in Google Chrome. So as you can see, this is a typical example of using YouTube as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and open up few tabs here and show you basically how that works. I'm going to make both tabs play. This one and
Turn
this
your
one.
passion
And as you can
into
see,
your
both tabs
profession.
are actually playing, right? So I'm going to just go
Shopify
ahead
makes it easy to sell online.
mute. And as you can see, it's muted. The second one as well. And as you can see, mute. So that's basically how it works, guys. So if you're on any specific tab, you can actually go ahead and mute those tabs as you wish. And that's how it works in Google Chrome. Keep in mind that once you click mute site, if you have like multiple YouTube sites open, it's going to mute all of those sites, even if you do it from one tab. And so if you basically want to mute just one single tab, then you want to just go to that page and mute it. But if you have the sites open or the tabs open, just simply right click on any tab and you'll be able to actually mute it or unmute it. And that's how it works, guys. Very easy and very simple.